Hello, students. Welcome to Unit 5, Assignment 1, the Development of English. This entire unit is a review, so all of the concepts presented here should be familiar to you. So this first lesson looks at the development of English. We see familiar vocab words like etymology, inflections, and syntax. The first section talks about the development of English, and there's this really handy chart that is a nice kind of one-page view of some of the concepts that were discussed in more detail in previous lessons. So you've got the time period, the characteristics of that time period, the historical influence, and then what percentage of that time period's English remains today. Okay, so I definitely encourage you to take a look at this chart. It's a really nice summary of some of the things that have been discussed previously. And then there's some questions that pertain to that. What I really want to draw your attention to, though, is this next chart. These are some of the specific changes that have occurred and continue to occur within English. This you will see in a future quiz or test, but this is what it's looking for. So the kind of general changes are changes in vocabulary, changes in meaning, changes in pronunciation and spelling, changes in grammar, and changes in punctuation. So those are kind of like the categories of changes, and then each box has some specific ways in which those certain changes occur. For example, changes in vocabulary happen when we borrow words from other languages or when we just delete or replace some words. Changes in meaning include things like pejoration, generalization, specialization. Those are some really common changes in meaning. We've got some changes in pronunciation and spelling that might occur with different dialects. That would be pronunciation, right? And we've got some varied spelling that happens as well. Take a moment to look at this chart because, like I said, it will be asked about in the future. Okay. This last section, you're using this definition that's given to you to answer the questions that follow. If you have specific questions about any of this information, please make sure to reach out.